In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an ebook using the Gamma app. If you've ever been interested in using technology to simplify the process of ebook creation, then you're in the right place. Follow along as we dive into this innovative tool that streamlines the ebook crafting process, making it easy and efficient. To get started, first log into Gamma using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main page where all the magic happens. You'll want to hover over to the section that says Gammas. This is essentially your gateway into the app's creative hub. Taking the time to familiarize yourself with this section will pay off as you progress through your project. Once you're in the Gammas section, your next step is to click on Create New AI. This option sets the foundation for your ebook, offering a space where you can generate new ideas or flesh out existing ones. The interface is designed to be intuitive, so even if you're new to the platform, each click guides you smoothly to the next step. Remember, this part is about exploring and experimenting, so don't hesitate to try different things to see what works best for you. Now that you're ready to proceed, it's time to click on Generate. Depending on your needs, you can adjust settings here, ensuring that the content aligns with the vision you have in mind for your ebook. This may include selecting different genres or tweaking certain parameters to better suit your audience. The aim here is to create content that's both engaging and relevant, so feel free to take advantage of the app's versatile options. Next, on the same page, you'll be prompted to type in a prompt. Think of this as a sentence or two that encapsulates the theme of your ebook. It should be concise and clear, providing just enough detail to steer the AI in generating the right kind of content for you. This is where your creativity shines, as the prompt will guide the AI's understanding of your needs. After entering your prompt, it's time to click on Generate Outline. This feature is incredibly helpful as it gives you a structured overview of your ebook. Having a solid outline not only saves time, but also ensures that your content flows logically from start to finish. An outline is the backbone of any good ebook, so make sure you review it thoroughly. Finally, once you're happy with your outline, proceed by clicking on Generate. This action prompts the app to start building your ebook's content from the outline you've just approved. You'll find that the content is well organized and aligned with your initial vision. This step transforms your ideas into a tangible format, turning your concept into a ready-to-use ebook. Enjoy the creative process, and remember that each ebook you create is a learning experience, helping you become more skilled with tools like Gamma.